Hello, here we are again for the last time already. Today we are going to protect our low board. It's necessary to protect it now because otherwise it will be dirty and damaged in the shortest time. For protection you can either choose oil or varnish. An oil protection needs to be maintained with a new layer of oil at least once a year. Protection with a varnish lasts for many years and doesn't need maintenance at all. We have chosen an oil-based varnish as it was used originally in the 60s. We are going to apply the varnish with a paint roller in Multi-Pre. Beware of applying in a correct way. You start applying in one direction. Secondly, you cross over once with the paint roller. You just pass over a last time in the direction you started, and you really don't push this time. So now our low board is protected again. We will just have to wait until the varnish is dry to see our final result. So here is our low board after his complete makeover. The wood has its original color of rosewood back and it's protected by two new layers of varnish. Thank you all for watching and stay tuned. We will be back.